So sanctuary zones are areas that are set aside within marine parks, and they're designed for the protection of a number of things within that area, and that's from protection from fishing. It's also protecting the habitat that's within that area, which then provides a nursery habitat for young fish and other species, invertebrates. And then as they grow, they will get the spill out effects from those zones into the general use zone, which can be fished and recreationally harvested quite often. In order to maintain and replace these markers, we will generally do a drive around inspection at the end of winter to see what markers are present and what markers are absent. And from there we'll gather the equipment that we need, any markers that need to be replaced, and we'll head out with an experienced dive team gear on board. First step is to conduct our pre-dive risk assessments and make a plan for the dive, so who's diving and what the activity is going to involve. We'll then head down, identify where the anchor point is, and we'll go through a process of replacing those shackles, new mid-water floats, and then throwing the marker in off the side of the boat and removing any old worn out hardware for longevity for the next 12 months, or ideally 2 years we generally get out of some of our markers. The easiest way to identify where our marine parks are within the state and the sanctuary zones within them is probably to jump on the Explore Parks website. Another good one is to download the Recfish West app on your smartphone, have your GPS enabled, and if you go to the marine maps on that, it'll actually give you your sanctuary zones and what you are allowed to do within that zone that you're specifically within.